All right, good morning, cyber traders. Welcome back on this lovely Monday, everybody. Good to see you. Everybody ready for a new week? Good to see you, Lita. Good to see you, Gillis, Grant, everybody on social media. Welcome back. Very excited. A lot of big news came over the weekend. A couple of stocks. We're going to check out some of these stocks like right here. But the big news I want to talk about is I want to talk a little bit about Tesla. So over the weekend, I don't know if you guys have been listening and follow a little bit of the financial news, but Trump basically saying he wants to get into autonomous driving, and it's going to be a big priority of his business as president. So maybe now it makes sense why Tesla is basically, doing really, really well. It's not just that he was on the transition team, but it looks like Trump was really trying to push autonomous driving. And, we've been doing pretty well. We don't have to trade down here at the bottom. You'll see that I owned it from $18 and doing pretty well on the Tesla TSLL trade. But it took a really big hit, came back. And, obviously I missed the gravy train on this pop right here, but I bought it cheap right around here. And it looks like that's starting to move pretty well. Tesla's right here. You can see it, almost at its highs at 350. I didn't know this, but does anyone here have a Tesla? Anyone here have one? I didn't know this, but you know how they want to charge you for the, autonomous driving? And it's like a huge upgrade package. I don't know what they want, like $5,000 or something like that. Do you know every Tesla has it? All they gotta do is turn it on. It's crazy because I didn't know this because my nephew has a Tesla. He goes, "Oh yeah, I finally bought it. They had a deal, and they charged me like it was like $100 a month to do it." So I'm like, "Oh, well, that's not that bad." I mean, for $100, if you drive a lot, yeah. I mean, like for someone who doesn't drive a lot, no. But if you drive a lot, yeah. And he goes, he loves it. Thing works amazing. But I thought it was a program that you had to buy it with the car. The cars already have it. That's so crazy. You just got to turn it on. So it's just technology. Anyway, so that one. That's the reason why it looks like it's doing pretty well. That's pretty big news out there. A couple of the stocks also we did real well last week was PLTR. I still own that stock. I bought it. I sold it. I bought more of it. I averaged up on a different account. But that stock has just obviously been doing phenomenal too. Has not backed off at all. That's been doing pretty well. Amazon took a little bit of a hit, came back down a little bit, hit to 200, big support levels trying to go up. A lot of brand name stocks. So listen, you're going to see this whole honeymoon phase with the new administration coming in probably up until about Thanksgiving. Once you get around Christmas, then you think you might be seeing things that might slow down a little bit. But he's still got a couple of people that are coming into the transition team. We'll see who puts on the Treasury Department. We saw what he's going to do on the FCC. He already announced on that. Every time they put somebody in there, listen to their policies because it's going to make these stocks get affected. RFK, I still have not seen anything with the news that he's coming out that he's going to be really, really strict on the Food and Drug Administration. We'll see how that's going to be doing. Listen, when they say deep state, at the end of the day, when you're thinking deep state, you're thinking like, could one person go back and dig out these people 10, 20 years out there and try to get them out because you have a lot of these lobbyists. So I think it's going to be really, really hard in the beginning. But we'll see how these stocks are affected because they do make these changes. These stocks, obviously, some are going to really benefit and some are going to really, really hit. So we'll keep an eye on that. So anyway, so Tesla's obviously doing pretty well too. It's up at $19 this morning, up really, really nicely. And we got the TSLL that's doing great. So I'm going to put those stocks on a watch list. So you have Tesla, TSLA, and you got TSLL. Another big news that came out, finally filed bankruptcy. It finally filed bankruptcy. So that's actually a good thing. when they file bankruptcy, because obviously the fact that, buy on rumors, sell on news, right? So we've been trading the stocks, been taking a big hit. It's been a really nice short. So the only issue is there's no level 2 quotes. So it's basically, I think it's halted. We're not getting any quotes on level 2, but we're going to keep an eye on save, because usually when they file bankruptcy, it's usually a good sign that it might go up a little bit. So you might get a lot of day traders. Usually what ends up happening, you get a lot of people that cover their shorts. That's what ends up happening. So once that's out, not going anywhere, people are going to start covering. So we might get some move. I want to see when it opens up. Other than that, we had a couple other stocks that did pretty well last week. We'll cover them up pretty quick. We did really well with the IBIT. That stock, we got the swing trade on that one too. And all the Bitcoin stocks are doing great. I did a video on Bitcoin. Did you guys watch it? If anyone here on social media, I don't know if you guys have been watching it, but I did do a quick video on Bitcoin on following iceberg orders. Just letting you know, those big Bitcoins are still sitting out there at 93,000. I kind of show it to you right here. See it right there, 93,000 at 254 Bitcoins that are sitting out there. And there's a couple over here at 87. Now, what's nice about using level 4 when we're looking at the Bitcoin is that this is not like when the market opens up. This thing is running like almost like 24/7. So whatever's out there, it's out there. So we got some good move on that stock. So we're doing well on a lot of the Bitcoin stocks, IBIT, BITU. What else? Coin did really well. That one did pretty well. All those stocks are doing pretty well. BTCS, those all did really well. So another big news that last week too was HIMS on the short. We did well on that short. Remember, Amazon started to tap into the health and get into their business, weight loss drugs, hair, all that good stuff. So big bad news for HIMS. So that one took a big shot right there, about $10, a good short. And it continued to go lower. We'll see how things pan out. But there is a lot of supports levels here right around $20. All right. So anyway, that's what happened last week. Let's start focusing on what's going on this morning. Now, remember, it is Monday. We don't want to get too cocky. We won't get too greedy, So, we still got some of the stocks that are doing pretty well. But there are some stocks out there I want to keep an eye on. VINO is one of them. It's up by 38%. It did a really nice move early this morning. Some of you guys just caught it right about a little bit past 810, 820. Ran for $1.50 all the way to a whopping $3. She's starting to build some support levels right here. I am seeing some buyers out here. So it looks pretty good. See how they're looking out here. If they're still out there on level 4. Yeah, so I'll show you right here what we got going on. So there's a lot of decent buyers here, 193, 192, and you can see there's like a little bit of a ladder effect all the way up from the 4. So we got some support levels right here on the VINO. See if it holds there. If it does, that's pretty good. Another stock that's trading a damn shitload of volume right now is SINT, 17 million shares, already 30% up. See what the orders look like on that stock right there. See who's hovering and trying to buy and sell. A couple of orders hovering right around here, around 360, 340. Yeah, not too crazy about it. So these orders, they canceled, but I'm not seeing any buyers out there. So I'll be a little cautious about that one. Anyway, good volume, good movement, pre-market. We'll put it on the watch list. This one right here. Spread is really ugly, probably category 4, JTAI. Remember this stock, everyone? This one got destroyed. She's up a little bit this morning, up 17%, 250,000 shares already traded. Put this on the B list. JTAI. What else we got over here? It's up 16%. Don't like the chart. Don't like the chart. XCUR, good volume, 1.2 million. Tier size a little small on the down trend. Probably not. Twist, nope. Not what we're looking for. ACUR was a good stock. We traded that. That one's been moving up pretty nicely. That one's up 12%, 1.2 million. We'll keep an eye on that one. Looks like she's hovering right around here. We had some good, looks like pharmaceutical stock. Puts on a B list. ACRS. What else we got here? So we got Tesla. Those are all moving. These are all the ETFs. Losers. Anything there? Nope. Nothing good. New York Stock Exchange. UAVS. Okay, so this looks like that big mover right here. UAVS, nice trend, making new highs, start around $3, already up to 450. Stock got destroyed, $100 stock. This is everything we're looking for. This is day traders heaven right here. There was an order at 440. It looks like he pulled it right there. It looks like it's probably going to be a category 3. I would be really careful of that, but that one looks really, really nice. That's everything that we're looking for as a day trader in pre-market. Everything else doesn't look like anything. Nothing else looks pretty good out there. Kava is finally coming down. You have to make it a nice big run. These are all the ETFs, the opposite shorts. NVDA broke 140. Not really a good sign right there. Yeah, this stock might bounce. I'm going to put this on the watch list. SMCI. If we consolidate here just for a little bit longer, this might be a decent buy. Remember, this stock got destroyed. SMCI. All right. What's Mara doing? That made the big percentage gainers. That one's up. These are all the blockchains and stuff like that. LCID. We saw that last week. IBIT. That's the one I own. All right. We're pretty much done. Anything we're missing? Oh, look at that. Phil did pretty well. Good for you, Phil. Phil just made some good money on that stock, UVLT. Let's just share that in the Cyber Group room. Made about 16 cents. Not bad. Fausto, are you closed on? No. We don't have any fires over here, Richard. We're okay. Don't worry about it. We're good over here. We're good. I think this is, but let me tell you, this is like the longest drought I ever had. You know what I mean? Thank God I didn't turn my sprinklers off. I kept my sprinklers on. My neighbor's grass looks terrible, but yeah, as far as they've been all over the place. I saw a couple of them, in their shrubs, but everything looks pretty controlled. Hopefully. All right, everyone. Anything I'm missing I did not call out? All right, so let's get ready for the market open up. We got about 15 minutes. If you're watching on social media, take your phone. You can scan the QR code in the top left-hand corner. Today, we're going to have an open house. So I am going to be in Miami this week. I'm going to be doing a big event down in with TradeStation. So I don't know if anyone is going to be down there or going to that event. I will be there and looking forward to presenting and meeting everyone down there. So it's a big conference that they got going on. Also, just to remind you all that Traders Talk is going to be moved till tomorrow. So we got 2 big events for today and tomorrow. So Traders Talk, once again, tomorrow 12, 11, and then today we got open house here. For everyone's all invited to come, just like on Traders Talk at 12 o'clock, at 1 o'clock. All right, guys, good luck, everyone. Trade safe. Let's get ready for the market open about 15 minutes for everyone on social media. Like I said, we're here live every morning, 9 a.m. and at 2:30, or you can always come and join our trade room. We're here all day, and you can trade with us all day long. All right, good luck, everybody. Trade safe. Let's get ready for a new week.